Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Monday.com automations and triggers step by step clearly. To disable automations and triggers in Monday.com, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board containing the automations you want to disable. Locate the Automations button at the top of the board. Click on the Automations button to open the Automations Center. In the Automations Center, you will see a list of all active automations for that board. Find the automation you wish to disable. Click on the three-dot menu icon next to the automation. From the drop-down menu, select Disable. Once you click Disable, the automation will be turned off. You can repeat this process for any additional automations you wish to disable. If you want to disable a trigger, ensure you are still in the Automations Center. Locate the trigger automation you want to turn off. Again, click on the three-dot menu icon next to the trigger. Select Disable from the drop-down menu. After disabling, the trigger will no longer activate. To confirm that your automations and triggers are disabled, check the list in the Automations Center. Make sure they are marked as disabled. Remember, you can re-enable any automation or trigger at any time by following the same steps. Always double-check that your workflow functions as intended after making changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.